Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to install the application on your Android phone. So actually it is quite complicated because there is no application as such for in your Android phone like in the Play Store. You need to install it using your web browser. So how to do that? Open your web browser. And here you need to search for Hubble Connect for Verve Live app. Here, as you can see, we've got Softonic, maybe not Softonic, but you need to search for the website that you trust when it comes to the APK files. Here you need to go to some website. I will stick to Softonic, for example. I have no idea if it's safe or not. I will just do it here. Here I've got some advertisement. You need to hit close here. I do recommend actually to use some sort of ad block here for APK download. And again, we've got some ad. And now we've got our download has started. No, I don't want notifications. Here, download anyway. Details, and we've got it here. You need to wait till it finishes, and then you'll see. Now it's downloaded, so what we need to do is to run this file. Tap it, open settings, and allow install unknown apps from this source. Here, install. Of course, I don't actually here more details. Install anyway. I don't assure you that your application will be safe and without viruses. You install APK file from the internet, so install it only from some trusted website. Here you need to sign up. And here, username. Our username may be HardReset, for example. Email. So you need to here put your email. Here, password. So now password. So let me put my password here. Here, tap I confirm I'm over 18 years old and tap sign up. Here, was in the app. Now maybe later, and now as you can see my devices, Vervebuds 250. These are connected. And now you can see your location here. I don't know why, but we can see it here. That's how it works. Goodbye.